Alright guys, we are back. We're going to play this little Firecracker game. So let's see what happens. Let's turn the volume up. So in case something happens, you guys can hear it. Let's get it. Let's get a little Firecracker action. We're going to up the bet to $1.76. Let's get it this way. Yeah, doing good. Can I get a Sprite from you, please? Yeah. All right. We're back to. Oh, that should have popped, right? That should have popped. That should have popped. Come on, baby. We got a little line hit, right? All right, keep us playing, guys. Keep us playing. Let's go with that. Oh, that would have been a good time for it. That's a good time for it if it happens. Oh. I never really do that well in this Firecracker game for whatever reason. Even when I get a bonus, it's never good. I'm hoping today is different, right? Just kind of play it because I know a lot of you like this game. One last spin at $1.76, then we'll lower that bet. Yep, let's lower it back to 88 cents. Get a couple of spins out of it at least. Last spin, guys, last spin. All right. Well, didn't win nothing this time, but I hope you liked the video. Subscribe to the channel. We'll have a lot more for you. Have a good day.